Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access the subtitles in the Rave app. So let's get started. So first of all, open the Rave app. It here. So to access the subtitles, you have to follow this easy step. For example, you open this like here. Okay. So here you can see it is a song. Right here.
Cyberworld, welcome. B-Tech.
So to access here, as you can see here, you have to click on the right here at here video, right click here at the three dots, just click on here, click on subtitles, click on here add on, and it will automatically show the subtitles on your Ref app. So by this way you can do it and you can connect with your people. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.